This is Kimberly Matagenes, and today's video, we're going to have an egg cooking method. These methods are poached egg, hard-boiled egg, soft-boiled egg, hard scrambled egg, soft scrambled egg, omelette egg, and the sunny side up. So, let's begin. The first one is the poached egg. The first step is you need to boil a water. Step 2, add a little vinegar. Step 3, prep the egg. Step 4, slip the egg into the water. Step 5, cover the skillet and use gentle heat. Step 6, time to serve. Next is the hard-boiled egg. The first step is to pour 2 glasses of water into the cauldron, followed by the eggs. If the egg has already been boiled, you can now get it. Start peeling the egg a few minutes later. Place all of the eggs that have already been peeled on the other plate. After that, cut the egg into whichever shape you desire. Soft-boiled egg follows. The first step is to pour 2 glasses of water into the cauldron, followed by the egg. If the egg has already been boiled, you can now get it. After that, peel or cut the egg and serve. Hard scrambled egg. Step 1. Put some oil in the skillet. Step 2. Crack in the eggs. Step 3. Begin to stir the egg. Step 4. Keep stirring until the egg is fully set and dry. Step 5. Transfer to a plate and serve. Next is the soft scrambled egg. Step 1. You need to put just a little bit of oil into the skillet. Step 2. Crack the egg and stir. Step 3. Put the egg into the skillet and gently mix it. Step 4. Transfer to a plate and serve. Omelette. Step 1. Prep the egg. Step 2. Put oil in the skillet. Step 3. Add the eggs into the skillet. Step 4. Cook. Step 5. Fold and transfer into the plate, then serve. Lastly, the sunny side up. Step 1. Put enough oil into the skillet. Step 2. Crack the egg into the skillet. Step 3. Cook. Step 4. Transfer to a plate and serve. And these are the finished product. Poached egg, hard-boiled egg, soft-boiled egg, hard scrambled egg, soft scrambled egg, omelette, sunny side up.